Hi there. Let's explore what we call add-ons. Add-ons are very powerful tools when selling and upselling tickets. You can find them by opening a ticket option and when setting it, scrolling down to add-ons. What do add-ons do? Add-ons are key products and services that we can add on top of a ticket. So in my case, I'm selling general access tickets, right? And maybe I want to include 3 rides. All right, so I'm going to say rides, and it's going to be 3, right? So each general access ticket is going to have 3 rides included. And we can use the Oveit scanning tools or the integrations we provide for turnstiles or automated gates to make sure that our customers only get those 3 rides. However, maybe they want to buy some additional rides, right? So in this case, we're gonna set the add-on name here, rides, and we're gonna price it at, let's say, well, let's just go for $20, all right? And once we press it, once we press add, this additional option will be able to be purchased in the checkout flow. If you remember, we can set up add-ons that can be upsold during the checkout process. So in our case, our customer already has 3 rides bundled up and they can purchase additional rides at a price of $20. This is really useful, especially when you have add-ons such as merchandise. For example, we might set up t-shirt, the theme park or water park t-shirt, and we can price it at $40, and they can add it as well to their ticket. Now, the cool thing about add-ons is that they don't need to provide extra QR codes. All of them are embedded in the same ticket. So they can just walk around with the same ticket and the add-ons will be embedded in that ticket. For you, it's a great way of selling and upselling all sorts of benefits. All right. And now that we finalized the add-on option, let's have a look at ticket visibility, whether this ticket is public or a private invitation. By default, tickets are public, but in some cases, you might want to create some private tickets that only some of your customers can have access to. This can be sponsored tickets, group deals that you want to only provide to some specific groups, and this is where you can set it. Then we have the ticket validity. If this is a time slot operated ticket, this is where you can set up the start and end validity date. And we have 2 additional options that we're going to explore at a later date. So far, these are the key options in this section. And remember, add-ons are very easy to set up and a great way to track attendance, access to all sorts of benefits within your attraction, and also upsell all sorts of services and goods in your theme park or water park.